Okay, welcome traders. Patrick at Trading123.net. And today's video, we're going to talk about the trades of the day in our Discord room here on April 9th, 2026. And this is the Trading123 AlgoBot leaderboard here, as you see. Our top 5 traders and the profits they made and the number of trades they did. So we got Moog in first place, 2,903 trades. Me, 2,500, 5 trades with the AlgoBot. Mike, 2,404 trades. Doug, 2,405, and Mike W, 972. So everybody trades a different style and different profit targets. Some go for more, some go for less. Usually Mike does more profit than that, but he was trading micros today. So let's take a look at the trades. And this is my first trade here. I got an early start in crude oil. I was doing some programming early in the morning, 6 a.m. and seeing crude was moving to the upside. So I missed the upside, but I caught the downside. And we got our new crude oil levels indicator here that uses AI technology that measures the support and resistance and draws those on the chart every day. And as you see here, it went up into this blue line, hit resistance, and sold down to the red line where I covered for a nice 275 profit. And then Mike W, like I said, he's trading the micros today. There's his first trade, 196. MNQ, 166. And then the big winner of the day, Michael Moog. This trade here, he hit for 1,200. And his next one was for 645. And then another one here, 1,015. And that's why he was the winner of the day. And then Doug, I think he had 5 trades today, it said, and he went 5 for 5. He's been around for about a year and a half and does pretty well with the bot each day, usually trading 2 contracts for 1K profit. Here's his first trade for 500. On his way to 2,400 for the day. And then here's my NQ trade here that I caught shortly after the open for 845, riding the uptrend. Turned the bot on, let it do its thing. Up we go. NQ, Mike NQ here, caught a nice sell-off. And he usually trades 2 to 3 contracts, goes for anywhere from $500 to $800 goal. Here he got 738, and it all adds up at the end of the day. Doug, his second trade, another winner, 483. And Mike here, another winner. Market sells off to the lows, and he gets 799. And then Doug is the next one, 468. He's just plugging along just after 10. And then Mike trade with the NQ for 310. And another one on my trades here in the NQ where got a little choppy here and I didn't hit my goal, but I got a $400 profit, so I took it. And then Doug here, he gets into another trade, hits his $500 goal in 3 trades. Down move, up move, up move. And that's why he's near the top of the board. And Mike W, like I said, he was trading small today. He usually has $800 winners. The other day I think he had a $2,500 winner. And then the other Mike NQ, after the sell-off, sells off here and then rallies off the lows up into the highs, and he gets a nice 595. Doug, another gain for him, and he's done for the day. Cut pretty much the same move as the last chart from Mike. And then going into the 11 o'clock hour, we catch a pop to the upside here. This was a news pop. This trade lasted about 30 seconds. That's why automation works. And it caught 2 uptrends for a quick $573. And then Mike traded during the noon time frame where he caught some momentum. There was some news that came out, this news here, and the momentum continued as the market continued to drive higher. And so 318 on that. And then I had a trade in the afternoon here after 3. Market was trending up, started a bot, and caught 2 moves for $453 on 2 contracts, and I called it a day. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to visit our website at trading123.net and click on the strategies tab, and you'll find all the information on our bots right there. And we'll catch you in the next video.